A beautiful sunny morning. Mom is preparing breakfast.
Good morning, kids. Today I'll prepare your favorite chicken biryani for lunch.
Wow!
Mother takes fresh chicken and basmati rice, onions, tomatoes, mint, as well as spices and yogurt from the fridge. She arranges them neatly on the counter.
Wow, that looks amazing, Mom.
Suddenly, Mom's mobile phone rings.
But I finished that project. This cannot be happening. I'm so sorry, kids. I have an urgent office meeting. I have to leave immediately. Rate you. Waves of love follow her as she steps away, promising to return before the day is done.
Who's gonna cook chicken biryani now? I was waiting all week.
Suddenly, the kitchen begins glowing with magical golden light. Every utensil starts shaking gently. The kitchen glows with magical golden light. A royal ladle rises from the stand. The King Ladle smiles proudly.
Attention, everyone! 2 wonderful children are sad today. We must work together and surprise them with the world's tastiest chicken biryani. I'll cook the chicken. I'll cook the rice. I'll stir everything.
Yay!
Careful! I've got you!
The measuring cups carefully measure spices. Turmeric, chili, salt, everything is perfectly measured. The frying pan cooks onions until golden brown. The spatula happily stirs them.
We love to cook and sing all day long, making food for everyone.
The pressure cooker adds chicken, yogurt, tomatoes,
spices and herbs. Time to make delicious chicken!
Hey! King Ladle watches proudly. Wonderful teamwork, everyone. Now let's cook the rice and make the best chicken biryani ever.
Yes, Your Majesty!
Soft rice spoon gently stirs the fluffy basmati. Soft and fluffy rice is the secret to perfect biryani.
Everyone, it's time to build the biryani.
layering rice and chicken, herbs and fried onions, and finishing with saffron. The biryani cooks on slow heat. The kitchen fills with an amazing aroma. Golden magical sparkles float through the air. The delicious smell reaches the dining room. The children sniff the air.
Wow, I smell chicken biryani. But who made it?
The King Ladle proudly carries the chicken biryani to the dining table. All the utensils follow behind like a royal parade. The children are amazed.
Teamwork makes every meal special.
And kindness makes every family happy.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to RunTime Kids.